Want to clear the RAM on iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, you want to head over to Settings. Now tap on Accessibility. Here, select the option of Touch. Now find AssistiveTouch. Tap on that. Now you want to go ahead and turn this option on. This gives you a virtual home button on your screen. You will need this later. Next thing you want to do is head over to your settings again. This time tap on General. Now scroll down and tap on the option of Shutdown. Don't slide the power off. Instead, you want to tap on the AssistiveTouch virtual button, hold home and keep holding it until you reach the lock screen. This process takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Once at the lock screen, enter your password and that's it. Your iPhone RAM is now cleared, giving your device a smoother performance. If you want, go back to your settings. Then tap Accessibility. Tap on Touch again. Then select Assistive Touch and simply turn it off to hide the virtual button. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.